Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a journal on Canva. Go to the Canva homepage, find templates, and then type in journal. From the options that show up, you can just choose one that you like, and then you'll be able to customize it. Some of these are only available to Canva Pro members, so if you do not have Canva Pro already, you can go to the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial. Once you find one that you like, click on it, and the print with Canva option will also show up. You can decide if you want this in a small or a large, or what kind of ruled pages you want. If you want to customize it, just click on Customize this template. This is only the cover of the journal, so to have pages inside, you're going to have to add them manually. You can change the color of the cover. You can also change the title as well. To add a lined page, go to Elements and then find a vertical line to put on your project. You can find lines under Shapes, and then just resize the line to fit your project, copy and paste it, and put it wherever you want the lines to be, and then you can just do this as many times as you need to have a lined page. You can copy this page for however many pages you want your journal to be. Then you can also add a back cover. You can add themed pages such as grocery list or movies you want to watch. Once you're happy with your design, if you go to the left of the screen and find text, you can also add page numbers. And since you have a cover as well, make sure you remove the page number from the first page. Once you're happy with the design, click on Share, Download, and then either PDF standard or PDF for print if you're planning to print this, because PDF for print allows you to add crop marks and bleed. Alright, this is how to make a journal on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.